nasty blankets and stuff.
So, Christina.
So Doug.
Should have when you found the canister full of McDonald's sugars.
Yeah, I found this. I threw it away. There's this can, and it's like, it says it's popcorn.
Yeah.
I think it's like the Boy Scouts, probably Boy Scouts popcorn
Yeah.
thing. I couldn't get the top off. And I know there's something in it. So, I'm shaking it and like, I was just going to throw it in the garbage. I go, there could be a stash of money in there.
Would that be something?
I know. So I looked where you were.
Yeah.
Over there. I did. So I got the hammer.
I'll have some mad money.
Off.
I'll have some she shed money now.
And guess what it was? It was
Sugar packets.
McDonald's sugar packets.
Yeah.
Like full.
And you threw them away?
Yeah.
Wow. Waste not, want not. Well, tell the folks out in YouTube land what you were up to today, my dear.
So I'm cleaning out the 1972 Shasta?
73.
Okay. I lose track.
And I was weed eating, so she didn't think to pick up the camera to show you as she went along. And
No.
I stopped weed eating because I ran out of string, and this is what I
This is what
found.
you encounter.
Yes.
So
Are you calling me Douglas yet?
No, not yet.
No?
There's
You're
a
not
mouse. There's a nest of. That's up to you.
a nest of
I'm
mice?
not- no mice in it.
I thought for sure that would have got me called Douglas.
Yeah.
Because as Francie could tell you, when I get called Douglas,
It's never good.
it's never good.
No.
So I want to show these folks the treasures you pulled out of this
Well, a
camper.
lot of them are in. There's 2 big bags of garbage already.
Look at the water
But this is the sort
jugs.
of saved.
Yeah,
and the treasures
2 garbage bags full of garbage too.
and the
I
cups
brought a 3rd one out just in case.
and the pans and the tea kettle. A whole bunch of curtains.
Yeah, see the curtains down there. I'm gonna wash them and just see.
And
Oh,
there's
look,
the supervisor on the job in the
Yeah.
shade.
That's right.
there's a
But
whole box of
Oh.
those.
yeah, he told me there was a box of those in there. Wonder if there's an expiration date on them. Maybe that's what's for dinner. MRIs or what do they call them? Not MRI.
eating that.
MREs. Those meals like the military eats.
Well, if it's dated like everything else, it's probably outdated.
Yeah.
We'll look for a date on it. I might have to try those.
Yeah.
Look at those beautiful curtains. Are you going to wash those?
Yeah, I'm gonna give them a shot. We'll
Oh
see.
yeah. She'll have those looking like milk.
He's an optimistic man right there. He has a lot of confidence in my wife, I'll tell you
I
that.
do.
He picked her out before I even met her.
That's right.
And he's never let me forget it. Look at these little beauties. Aren't those beautiful? They are nice, just like the day they were made.
Funny, if you look at that pattern
Patchwork.
up against the floor, it's kind of wild. And that curtain.
So, tell the people about like opening up like a time capsule in here.
So I took and I emptied out all the cabinets, and then it was time to look under the carpet because somebody put carpet over it. And I pulled up the carpet on the back side, and it looked perfect. So I took the, what do you call that? That blends
Threshold.
the threshold off right here,
Yeah.
thinking that maybe there was going to be some damage up here, but you can look.
All right, let's check it out.
Oh yeah.
Look at
Hasn't been
this.
swept yet.
Nope.
Hasn't even been swept. Look at the
Look at
flooring.
the flooring
Willows.
over the fenders
Yeah.
underneath there.
You even
Huh.
covered those.
That's an unusual.
Both sides.
Yeah.
I wonder if somebody put down this floor.
No, I don't think so.
It's underneath everything, so I doubt it. It must be
No, I
original.
think it's original.
Kind of surprising they put it on top of those fenders.
They actually preserved it by putting parking on there.
Yeah. Wow.
Preserved it for
That's
us. That
before
was
it's
like the-
cleaned up. Oh, they did use some great
That's-
stuff in there.
Oh,
That's where the nest
that's
is?
the nest. See the nest in there?
Yeah. This thing is beautiful.
It's not terrible.
No, it's not. I'm being
It's not.
sarcastic. They're not
Yeah,
being
I
sarcastic.
know you're being
No,
sarcastic.
I'm not being sarcastic. Being serious. That's
I'm
what I
not
meant
being
to say.
sarcastic.
It's nice. Very nice. You, my dear, are doing a hell of a job. A lot of women would never do this
Oh,
job.
I don't enjoy it. Let me just put that out there.
Yeah,
But
but they're all interesting, aren't they? They tell a little tale when you start tearing them all apart.
Story behind all this.
Anybody just thinking about restoring one.
Well, that's why there's so many of them that they get in and they just start ripping them apart and then they sell them because they realize it's not all Pinterest and picking out curtains and hanging pictures and putting up knickknacks. That's the fun part. That comes at the end, though.
Yeah.
There's a price to pay to do that.
Yeah.
There's a price to pay. That's right. That's the money you're working off from. This man right here always says if it was easy, everybody'd be doing it.
I already said that. It's just,
Did
already
you?
out there, yeah.
Your famous quote. All right, my dear. Well, we'll get back to you. I got to put some more string in that trimmer. I think I'll put string on both sides this time.
Okay, why don't you do that?
But Christina has gotten so much done on this thing today. It's unbelievable. You've done a great job. So I was going to try to take some of this and see if I can get the black off the floor. So I got it off the floor in front of the threshold here. So I think I could probably get it. She is scrubbing everything. She's got the stove tore apart. She's got that over here. We got the other light working. Just needed a bulb. That was an easy part. Just plugged in the refrigerator. Going to see if that works. Just got off the phone with a lady from Black Lake and made a deal on another one that we're supposed to pick up on Saturday morning. Why are you shaking your head? You call that job security, Christine. Okay? So we put this 73 Shasta model 1400 back together. And this is what it looks like. It's a great, solid little project. That's, I guess, how I would have to describe it. Not sure if it ever had a bathroom in it or if this was always a closet. It's got a little bit of water damage here and there. It's definitely not horrible. And on another note, the Indian got back home today. Isn't that exciting? We just washed it and got to put the saddlebags on it. And my wife is always busy. So there it is, folks. The newest to us vintage camper, which is a 1973 Shasta. She's a beauty. Videos, folks. Please like, share, but most importantly, subscribe. You'd be amazed what you'll see if you get off the couch. Have a great day.